Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find dead crypto wallets. Losing access to your digital assets can be frustrating, but there are often ways to recover them. First, try to remember what type of wallet you used. Was it a hardware device, a software application, or even a paper wallet? Next, think about any associated information like seed phrases, private keys, or passwords. Finally, thoroughly check old computers, mobile devices, cloud storage, and any physical locations where you might have stored wallet data. These initial steps are crucial for a successful recovery. One of the most vital pieces of information for recovery is your seed phrase. This is typically a list of 12 to 24 words that acts as a master key to your funds. Similarly, a private key is an alphanumeric code that grants direct access to specific cryptocurrency. It's absolutely critical to understand that these are the keys to your digital vault. Never, under any circumstances, share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, as doing so would give them complete control over your assets. Keep them extremely secure. When recovering a software wallet, you'll typically use the recovery option within the application itself, inputting your seed phrase. For hardware wallets, the process usually involves connecting the device and following its specific recovery protocol, again using your seed phrase. If your wallet is damaged or the situation is more complex, there are specialized recovery tools and services available that might be able to assist. These tools can sometimes help extract data from corrupted files or devices, offering a glimmer of hope for lost funds. Beyond the standard recovery methods, consider digging through old emails, messages, or even physical notes for any clues related to your wallet. Sometimes, a forgotten email from a wallet provider or an exchange can jog your memory. For substantial losses, consulting a professional cryptocurrency recovery service might be a viable option, though they often come with a fee. Most importantly, once you've recovered your assets, implement robust security practices, such as using strong, unique passwords and creating multiple secure backups to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.